What's good, y'all? This is Dre of Just Dre 365. In this video, I'm gonna show you how I make my world's famous Beats by Dre juice drink. For this particular recipe, you're going to need carrots, apples, ginger, and of course, beets. For this particular recipe, I actually stretched it out with about 10 ounces of water to kind of get the earthy taste out. Thank you for tuning in to how I make my world's famous Beats by Dre juice drink, and stay tuned for the next juicing video.